The crypto market is back in the green zone with Bitcoin going above 90,000 US dollars after a few months of sideways movement. So why not explore another free testnet opportunity that will bring you in $300 or even bigger rewards? Well, despite the market's ups and downs, we are stuck with our target of hitting between 1,000 and 10,000 US dollars by the end of 2025, and we are doing all of this through airdrop farming. Already we have a bunch of projects we are farming, and today we'll be adding to that list. Just remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything is for education and entertainment. And if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to get free guides and updates on airdrop opportunities. One of the $300 opportunity we'll be looking at today is GPU network. In a world where sophisticated compute power is monopolized, GPU network wants to make high-power graphics processing units accessible to everyone. The project has raised $6 million in investment and is being backed by Black Dragon. Now, just like the recent airdrop farming we have been doing on the channel, we'll be farming the GPU network's airdrop using our mobile phones. So if you do not have the Mises browser, please go ahead and install it on your mobile phone. Copy the link I will leave in the video description and paste it in the browser tab and go to the website. Once it loads up, what you do is connect your wallet. The website will ask you to sign a few contracts, and after signing up, or after signing the contract, it will connect your wallet to the platform. Now, once you're connected, what you do is scroll, or first things first, what you do is perform the daily check-in. So the place where you have say GM, just click on it and claim the daily check-in points. Now, after that, you scroll down and connect your X account. Now, what this will enable you to do is complete the social quest, which is for you to follow a bunch of X accounts and verify other social media accounts. Now, once that is done, you scroll up again and you scroll to the left and complete the intro to the GPU platform quest. Just like you did for the social quest, you complete the intro quest. After that, you complete the on-chain quest, and then the dev quest, and then finally the subnet quest when it becomes available. As you're completing the task, your GXP multiplier will increase. Now, another way to increase your GXP multiplier is to refer friends. So what you do is click on the refer a friend button and copy your referral link to share with your friends. For the second part of this video, we'll be acting on an update from Taker Protocol. If this is your first video on this channel, Taker Protocol is one of the airdrop opportunities we covered in the previous video. So make sure you click the link I'll leave in the video description for you to watch the full guide on Taker Protocol. Now, there's a new campaign called the Sowing campaign on Taker Protocol, where we get to mine Taker diamonds every 3 hours. Now, remember that the project has raised $3 million in investment, and just for this campaign, there will be only 30 million diamonds to be mined. So hurry up and mine your diamonds. I'll leave the link to the campaign in the video description, so just go ahead and copy it. What you'll do is you open up your MetaMask wallet and go to the browser tab. Then you paste the link you copied on the browser page and go to the website. Now, the next thing you do is connect your wallet to the website once it loads up. So just go ahead and connect your wallet. Make sure you are on the Taker network when you are connecting to the wallet. In case you're not familiar with what that is, just go back to the previous video we made on the channel before this one. You will see the process of participating in the Taker protocol Airdrop. Once you are done with that, everything will become familiar to you. So just go ahead and watch the video and then come back to this very video. Now, for those of us that have done that, what you do is just scroll a bit. In fact, you don't need to scroll, you'll see it here. Now you see this bar. Immediately you log onto the site, you'll see where it says you can claim 100 diamond. For me, the place where it's supposed to be claimed is written farming. This spot, it's farming now, so it's farming the taker diamonds for me at the moment. But for you, once you load up the website and connect for the first time, you will see 100 diamonds for you to claim. Now all you do is claim the diamonds. After claiming, the timer will start afresh, and it will count down for 3 hours. So after 3 hours, what you do is log back in and claim the diamonds. Now as you claim your diamonds daily, as the days goes by, your multiplier increases. I think by the second day you get a 2x multiplier, and by the 7th day of consistently claiming your diamonds, you get a ×5 multiplier, which is huge. Like I said, this campaign only have 30 million diamonds to be mined, so you'll be quick, you'll be fast in mining this campaign. My name is Jesse, and here is another video that can make you $500 in free crypto.